make it clear. TriGoLearn is always here. It's tricktastic, let's explore. Subcato and so much more. From sine to cosine, we'll never fear. With TriGoLearn, the path is near.
Congratulations, Triggies! You've unlocked the power of SOHCAHTOA. It helps you remember sine, cosine, and tangent, the three basic trigonometric ratios. But did you know that each of them have a partner function? Every hero needs a partner, right, Triggies? So if SOHCAHTOA is the superstar of trigonometry, then CHOSHAKAO is its amazing sidekick. Together, they make solving triangles twice as fun. To help us remember them, we use another phrase called CHOSHAKAO. Let's break it down. CHO stands for cosecant is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. SHA stands for secant is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. And CAO stands for cotangent is equal to adjacent side over opposite. These are the flipped version of the trigonometric ratios. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. Think of it this way, Triggies. If the basic trigonometric ratios shows the one side of the triangle story, then the reciprocal trigonometric ratios tells the other story. So next time, if you remember SOHCAHTOA, do not forget its clever twin, CHOSHAKAO, the key to unlocking the reciprocal side of trigonometry.
Suppose we have a right triangle with an angle of theta. Looking at our triangle, the hypotenuse is labeled 10, the opposite side is 5, and the adjacent side is 5 square root of 3. In this example, we are solving for the cosecant of a theta. Remember the mnemonic CHOSHAKAO, where C stands for cosecant, H for hypotenuse, and O for opposite. Cosecant is the ratio of the hypotenuse over the opposite. Substituting the values, we have 10 divided by 5, which equals 2. Therefore, the cosecant of theta is equal to 2. Next, let's solve for the secant of theta. Remember from our CHOSHAKAO, guide that secant is the ratio of the hypotenuse over the adjacent side. Looking at the triangle, the hypotenuse is 10 and the adjacent side is 5 square root of 3. So secant of theta equals 10 over 5 square root of 3. Simplifying, we get 2 over square root of 3. To rationalize the denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 3. That give us 2 square root of 3 over 3. Lastly, let's solve for the cotangent of theta. Looking at the triangle, the adjacent side is 5 square root of 3 and the opposite side is 5. So cotangent of theta is equal to 5 square root of 3 over 5. Simplifying, we get square root of 3. Next example, let's solve for the secant of 45 degrees angle. Looking at the triangle, the hypotenuse is 15 and the adjacent side is 9. So secant of 45 degrees equals 15 over 9. Simplifying, we get 5 over 3. Therefore, the secant of 45 degrees angle is equal to 5 over 3. Lastly, let's solve for the cotangent of 45 degrees angle. Looking at the triangle, the adjacent side is 9 and the opposite side is 12. Simplifying, we get 3 over 4. Therefore, the cotangent of 45 degrees angle is equal to 3 over 4.